Welcome to our voyage into the essence of novel writing, where the art of captivating storytelling thrives on consistency. Imagine the impact of a novel whose tone, style, and pace are in perfect harmony, captivating readers from start to finish. This is the power of consistency, an essential element that elevates good writing to unforgettable literature. Today marks the beginning of our exploration into achieving consistency in your writing. Ideal for both novice writers and those refining their craft, we'll dive into strategies for maintaining a steady narrative voice, along with tips for sustaining pace, cohesive style, and ensuring tone resonance. Join us as we demystify the disciplined approach to writing, transforming the dream of completing a novel into an attainable goal. Stay with us as we reveal how to embed consistency into your writing, making it not just a goal, but a standard. Diving deeper, we recognize that consistency in novel writing transcends beyond a mere writing schedule. It integrates into creating a coherent world, authentic characters, and a seamless story arc. Consistency is the thread that binds the narrative, ensuring readers are immersed rather than bewildered. Why is it pivotal? Consistency fosters trust with your readers, signaling capable hands navigate the narrative's twists and turns with purpose and clarity. Absent consistency, stories can appear fragmented. Characters might stray from their essence, diminishing the novel's escapism magic. As we venture further, we uncover that consistency is not only about tone, style, and pace. It's a testament to the writer's discipline to revisit and refine their creation with unyielding passion and precision. Next, we'll see how adhering to consistency principles elevates your writing from merely good to truly legendary, through actionable strategies and real-world illustrations. At the core of every memorable novel is a commitment to consistency, making it vital for you to master strategies that bring unity and flow to your work. Setting realistic writing objectives is the first step, whether it's a word count, a daily chapter, or perfecting a scene, which allows for progress tracking and a clear path forward. Equally important is crafting a writing schedule that fits your life. Writing need not consume all your time, but should be allotted dedicated periods. Identifying when you're most creative and reserving those times for writing can greatly boost your output and consistency. Embracing the right tools and techniques, from digital planners to traditional pen and paper, tailors your workflow to enhance focus. Incorporating habits like the Pomodoro technique can also maintain your drive. Through upcoming exercises and examples, we'll delve into applying these strategies effectively, enriching your writing with both consistency and depth. Turning theory into tangible improvements requires action. Armed with strategies to uphold consistency in your writing, we now introduce practical exercises to cement these skills. Envision writing with fluidity, where each sentence connects naturally, engrossing readers completely. Begin with an exercise to refine your consistency. Choose a passage from your work and rewrite it thrice, each time focusing on tone, style, and pace. This method fine-tunes your editing skills and deepens your element alignment understanding. Drawing inspiration from literary greats, consider J.K. Rowling's richly detailed Harry Potter universe or Ernest Hemingway's uniquely succinct style. These authors exemplify how a consistent approach can become your signature. As we progress, we will explore adjusting your routine and embracing new habits to solidify the consistency gained through these exercises. As our journey concludes, let's reflect on the paths we've embarked upon together. We've equipped you with strategies to fortify your novel's backbone, consistency. From realistic goal setting and a committed writing schedule to the choice of conducive tools and techniques, we've traversed diverse terrains towards ensuring your writing's steadfastness. Remember, the journey of 1,000 pages starts with a single word, and your dedication to the craft is your guide. Your writing is a bridge to readers, inviting them into worlds you've painstakingly created. Embrace the challenges ahead, fortified with the strategies shared, and let your indomitable spirit lead the way. Your story is invaluable, and the world is eager for your voice. The adventure of writing begins anew with each word. Keep writing, keep striving, and above all, keep believing.